Let Jenna open it.
What? That's not fair.
You're gonna read it out loud. Read it out loud.
A Valentine wish for lots of love and for lots of fun and for lots of yummies. Hope your day's a happy one. Happy Valentine's Day to my big brother and little sister. I can't wait to meet you in September. Wait. What?
Who's it from?
Baby cut was in number 3. What do you mean?
What do you think she means?
You're having a baby? Is it a boy or girl?
Yes.
You're pregnant?
Did you notice how I haven't been feeling very good lately?
Mommy's having a baby, guys.
Yay! Yay! I want a little brother. I want a little brother. I want a baby book of them. And now this is gonna be 3 kids.
3
Yeah.
kids.
Wow, huh? Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh my goodness! I gotta call my friends.
How about a hug for Mommy?
I want to tell my teacher.
You can tell.
You guys,
Are we still gonna be able to go on the
you guys get to help us tell Grandma and Grandpa tomorrow, okay?
I can't believe it.
Love you.